How to fix Valorant not updating. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll let you guys know how can you fix Valorant not updating. If you have such issue, then what you need to do is first of all, you actually want to go ahead and make sure to check your connections. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. So what you have to do is for that, to check the internet, you could go to the Wi-Fi settings, right click on the mouse and go to network and internet. As you go to network and internet, here you want to go to Wi-Fi and try disconnecting it and then reconnecting it afterwards. And at the same time, you could also restart your router or modem, see whether that will be able to fix or not. In some cases, if you are using some sort of VPN or extension, you also want to try disabling that for a certain period of time, and that will be able to fix. Despite doing this procedure, if it doesn't seem to be working out, you want to first of all completely close the Valorant. So for that, you want to come to show hidden icon here as well. You want to locate. After which, right click on the mouse at the bottom and go to task manager. Here, if you locate Valorant, you simply want to right click and click on end task. As you've done it, so close the task, and what you have to do is next is that you want to locate Valorant and open up the search bar, type in add or remove and click on open. Then you simply want to go ahead and uninstall the Valorant and then reinstall the updated one. That will be able to fix the issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.